WhatsApp Beta Info, which tracks all the WhatsApp related activities, spotted a feature in the beta version of the messaging app. The ability to automatically mute large group chats to help reduce notifications has been released for some beta testers, and it is rolling out now to more users over the coming days. WhatsApp recently rolled out the ability to add 1024 people to a group. While this can be convenient for many, this can also be chaotic for some. So if you're a part of a group which has more than 256 participants, the group will be muted automatically. However, if you do not want to mute the notifications, you always have the option of unmuting the group. WhatsApp has also rolled out the features to beta testers who are on the current version of WhatsApp Beta. This means that the feature is yet to be launched for all the users. WhatsApp recently made the communities feature official. This feature is an extension of the groups and lets you add more people. Now, according to a report, WhatsApp Beta for Android 2.22.24.15 is marked as a compatible update, but some lucky beta testers may also receive this feature after installing one of the updates: 2.22.24.9, 2.22.2410, 2.22.2411, and 2.2224.14. Now, all the beta testers who update the latest beta version will get this feature, but if you haven't received the feature yet, you can wait for a future update. On a related note, WhatsApp is also rolling out communities for its iOS and Android app. The web users can also use the communities feature. WhatsApp communities will let users bring groups with similar interest under one roof. You can use related groups in one place. You can connect with your schools, neighborhood, camps, and many more. For iOS users, the community tab appears right next to the chat settings option, whereas on WhatsApp web, you can find the community at the top right of your screen. How did you find this new feature of the WhatsApp? Let us know in the comment section below. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching.